Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, I am so glad to announce that after the lockdown, we are going to offer Ielts Masterclass on campus actually, right? These are going to be on-campus classes, live sessions where physically I am going to teach Ielts. At the moment, we are going to start this here in Lahore. If you belong to Lahore or you can come to Lahore, most definitely you can be the part of my on-campus physical Ielts classes. And for this, I have chosen state-of-the-art venue. You can see the pictures of this wonderful, beautiful classroom. I mean, if the classroom is comfortable, if the environment is good, you may be more creative when you come to these classes. So no compromise on quality. We've got this wonderful classroom for you, and you are going to be one of the students who is going to sit on these chairs, and in front of you there will be Asad Yaqub himself teaching you Ielts, listening, reading, writing and speaking. Not only that, we will also provide you once a week mock test activity as well. Through mock test, we will tell you about your expected band score. And if you don't want to join the master class, you only want to join mock test, you can contact us for that as well. So guys, now thank goodness lockdown is over. Things are getting better. People are being vaccinated for COVID-19. Things are really good now. So we are offering on-campus Ielts classes in Lahore. My WhatsApp number is given. You can contact that number. We will send you the fee details, days of the class, time of the class, location of the class and each and everything. Just send a message on WhatsApp and you will get all the detail. I really look forward to seeing you in my Ielts Masterclass. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.